USCIS is an agency under DHS that processes various immigration petitions and is funded almost entirely by user fees. Yet legal immigrants are tormented by the agency, just because it can. Congress happily advocates its duty of USCIS oversight. USCIS interprets this as it can do whatever it wants to, knowing that there's no one in this whole country that will bother to hold them accountable. Law states that when an immigrant is qualified to become permanent resident, USCIS must issue a work permit and travel document while they wait for their green cards. But USCIS takes 4 to 6 months just to issue a receipt. USCIS tracks legal immigrants for years and knows more about immigrants than the immigrants know about themselves. Yet fingerprints and interview steps are unnecessarily added to mock the misery of immigrants and cause many more months of delay. Due to these unbearable processing times, caused by inefficiencies, USCIS ends up wasting green cards when fiscal year ends in September. The unused expired green cards could have brought much deserved relief to the families that have danced to the tunes of this immigration circus for a decade. Archaic and complicated procedures of USCIS are intentionally designed to require middlemen attorneys who charge hefty fees. Win-win for both parties, but causes mayhem in immigrant families. It's almost criminal for USCIS not to allow e-filing of most immigration forms, causing an absolute crisis in its mailroom. In comparison, the Canadian Immigration or even the IRS allows users to self-file online. Biden promised change and transparency in immigration. It has been months. What's becoming clearer to legal immigrants are the empty promises. Will Alejandro Mayorkas remove the invisible wall for legal immigrants and take responsibility to process all available green cards? Will the U.S. Congress ever take action for legal immigrants? The nation wants to know.